Alright, what's going on everyone? So today we're going to review a subscriber store live. So if you want your store reviewed like next week or so, you can leave in the comment section or you can basically join our group with the links in the description as well. But we're going to get into the store right now. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So he's actually part of our group and is a subscriber as well. So let's check out his store. So it's called Travel Life. And as soon as I went into it, there was like 5 different pop-ups. So that's the first issue with the store. He has way too many pop-ups and he has typos like everywhere. So typos and pop-ups, you're gonna have to fix that. So let me show you what it looks like when you come into incognito. So that's how I can basically refresh this and I can see the pop-ups that basically he's got. So we're gonna come in here. So as you can see, I already went into it, but let me try again. So he's gonna actually, he's gonna want to go to settings and basically only have one or no pop-ups at all. I don't usually use pop-ups on my websites. Well, I rarely use them, especially not on add to cart pages or near checkout pages. You don't want any pop-ups there. But on the home page, you need a good pop because this is not a good. So you can see this is the first one. Um, okay, so we're just gonna exit out of that one. So, and if you do use pop-ups, just have one, and you need a good one. You need some kind of giveaway, some kind of contest. You gotta give them a reason to join your, your email list. Otherwise, there's no point in using a pop-up. So we're just gonna scroll a bit more up and down. All right, so I'm guessing his other ones are not gonna activate now because I've already clicked on them before. Okay, so but he has way too many pop-ups and he knows this. So basically, we're gonna write it out on a notepad and I'm gonna send it to him later on. So he's got too many pop-ups and he's got typos on the website. So you can see I wrote this because I had to do the video over again because something happened. But you can see too many pop-ups, typos on the website. So let's move to the next thing. So you can see he's got like a live chat feature here. So I want to show you guys a way to have a live chat without branding, okay, and find a way to actually build a messenger list that you can remarket to later on with your new products and all that stuff. So you can have them on a list. It's called a messenger list, and you can send messages to them directly to the inbox whenever you want. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. But you need a Facebook page for that, by the way. You need a Facebook page. So you can see it says follow us, but he has no Facebook page. So I want to show you. So I actually want to look for his Facebook page, see if he's actually got one. So here's what happens. So when you add this to your website, it's going to look like this. So this is my website, and I have it installed right here. You can see it's a messenger, and basically when someone messages my page, they're added to my messenger list. So let me show you what that looks like. So I use something called chat fuel. So you're going to want to use that as well. So it's called chat fuel, and basically once you sign up, it connects to your Facebook page, and whenever someone messages your page or they click on a link or they reply, they add it to your list. It's called like an email list, but for Messenger. So you can see I got 55 people, and whenever I want, I can email these guys, and it goes directly to the inbox. So it goes directly to the inbox, and everyone opens these. So it's like a direct DM, a direct message. So as you can see, it goes directly in here, and it's very powerful. So let's see. So you need a Facebook page for that. So let's see if he's got a Facebook page. So it's called Travel Life. It's quite a cool name, by the way. But yeah. So let's see if he's got a Facebook page. Um, okay. So it hasn't popped up. It should have popped up by now. If you got a Facebook page with that kind of name, it should come up as the first option. You should come up first on Facebook pages. So it doesn't look like he has a Facebook page. So he's gonna have to make a Facebook page, and then once he has one, what you can do is you're gonna want to sign up to Chatfuel. So let's write this down. He's gonna want to make a Facebook. I think he already has an Instagram page, but if he doesn't, I'm gonna write it down anyway. Make Facebook and an Instagram business. Okay. Make an account on Chatfuel. Add Chatfuel Messenger widget, which I'm gonna show you how to do right now. Okay. So Chatfuel widget to your website. So what you want to do is you're going to want to go to grow, and then it's going to give you an option to add this customer chat plugin to your website. So he's going to want to click on enable, put his domain name in, and then basically just insert that code on the first page of his website, and that way you can see it's going to have this custom plugin, and it's going to add these people, these individuals, to your messenger email list, and whenever you want, you can send a broadcast, and then you're going to end up directly in the messages. So how cool is that? That's super cool, right? So everyone's going to want to do that out the gate. You're going to want to have a messenger list. It's free to use. Everyone recognizes Facebook, so they're more likely to use Facebook and reply and open your message and all that stuff. So make sure you get in there. All right. So that's the first few tips. Okay, so too many pop-ups, typos on the website. Make a Facebook and Instagram business. Make an account with Chatfuel. Add the Chatfuel Messenger widget, and send broadcast messages to subscribers. Also add a default message. So let's go to his website, so we can see when someone clicks on here. Yeah, so this is not good enough. You're gonna want to have a default message that basically directs them to, the FAQ page about us, or contact us and order tracking. So you're gonna want to have those one after the other. So when someone comes to message, this is gonna cut your support time by half, because when they message your page, they're usually gonna have a question about that kind of stuff usually. So what you want to do is you want to come into Chatfuel and click on automate, and in your welcome message, you're going to want to put those 4 links. So as you can see with my links, I just give links to my Facebook page. Okay, and you're going to want to do that bar for each one of these. So your FAQ page, your about us page, and your contact us page and order tracking. All right, so those are 4 kind of the 4 URLs you're going to want to have in here. So it looks much better, it looks much more congruent. Everyone recognizes Facebook, so you're going to want to do that. Okay, so let's look at some more stuff. So this is his website. So we fixed the Instagram page. Let's actually look at his website. So I'm not going to analyze his niche, because this is more of a store review instead of niche review, because I don't know if he's researched his products, or if they're trending, all that stuff. But so you can see we've got another typo. So do you want $5 off today? Okay, so now we're actually going to look at, so let's look at his website. So the main idea when you want to optimize your website is you really want to have your main product like over here. So you're going to want to have a big buy button for every product. Okay, so to give you an idea, I'm gonna go to another website. It's called GoPro. You should you probably know who that is. And we're going to look at another website called Paxson as well. Just to give you an idea, so whenever you want ideas on how to structure your website, so you have to remember these people are paying consultants like hundreds of thousands to make their website better and convert higher. So as you can see, when you come on GoPro, okay, they keep it simple. So with you, I'm gonna recommend you put this right at the top, because right now it's a bit here, it's a bit too low in my opinion. So you're gonna want to put this near the top, and maybe reference the GoPro website to get an idea of how to structure it. So you can see it's very cool. They keep on top. Almost all websites keep it on top. So you can see they keep it right there. You generally do not want to have it. So here's where you want to have your image. All right, at this end, at this kind of area, you're going to want to have your image, and you're going to want to put that stuff right on top. Okay, and then this image is going to come through here. So I also recommend you have a nice, like a background that stays congruent with your whole page, because now it's like you have one background right here, and then the rest of the page is just white, which is so if you can see here, the GoPro, they got a good background image right there, and then they keep it going. But obviously this is more of a custom website. So and he said he hasn't run any ads for this yet, but once you have good products, and once you have like 4 main products, you're gonna want to structure in a way where you have 4 main products like lined up one after the other. So let me show you another website. So apple.com has like the exact same structure, and I don't know if this is working. All right, so you're going to basically want to have the same kind of structure where you're laying out your products one by one, especially if you have winning products. Okay, so let me just come here. So he said he's going to run influencer shoutouts. When someone comes on the website, they're going to want to see the buy button, right? So the buy button has to be right here. When you see your mouse, when you see my mouse, you need some kind of shop now or buy button there. Otherwise, it's just never going to work. It's just too much scrolling. They're going to really have to look for your. It's just too much. Okay, so let's go to apple.com. Let me show you how they structured it. And believe it or not, Apple probably pays more money to consultants than GoPro. So if anything you want to learn from their website, just go to the best websites take what they know and just use it. So let's go on Apple. Let me show you how this. So you can see first thing right here, HomePod. Okay, you've got products structured right there. We got another one right here, iPhone X, iPhone 8, and then we got all these other ones are right there. So that's what you want to do. You want to structure your products like one by one so that people can buy them as they go. So you want to, like for example, let's see, you want to have this pillow right here, and then this one right underneath it, and then maybe one here, and then just keep it going like that. So it's easy to scroll through because right now it's just too small, it's too many products, it's too crowded. You need to keep it simple. So I'm gonna recommend keeping like just so let's write some notes down. So a congruent background image for your whole website. Line up 5 to 10 products on the main page. So that's what he's going to want to do, and then he's going to want to so line up 5 to 10 products on the main page. Yeah, so now let's start looking at the buy page. So this is very important. I actually want to talk about this now. You can see it says view. We should probably change that to add to cart, but let's just take a look at his buy page. This is the add to cart page. This is the page that he's going to send his traffic to. So this is the people who click on those influencer links. They're going to land on these pages. So let's take a look at these pages right now. So with most of these pages, when you come to these, because on Shopify, you can't really do much in terms of structuring your page. So you're going to want to have a video that basically explains, that just shows your product. Okay, so even if you don't have a video for a particular product, what you're going to want to do is go to YouTube and just find a video that reviews your product. Okay, and you can literally just put that on your website. They're not going to mind because they're getting extra views. So trust me, don't worry about anyone having no one's going to have an issue with it because you're giving them more publicity at the end of the day. So here we go, we got another pop-up. Like this guy, he's got a disabled pop-up. There's just too many of these. And so he's going to want to have a video right here that showcases the product. So let me show you how GoPro does it. So when you come on GoPro, you click on shop now. They're gonna have like 3 videos that right there just to sell their the main product. So let's go on YouTube. You're gonna want to find a product that basically sells it, or actually just reviews the product. So let's get into this. When it loads, so it says animal pullover neck pillow. So you're gonna want to find the exact same product, by the way. If you can't, then that's bad luck. You probably have to buy yourself. It's cheap, and just review it yourself, and just put it on YouTube. It's not too difficult. I've actually have kind of done videos like that where I've bought the product, I'd review it myself, and then just upload it to my site. It's not too hard. Pullover neck pillow. So I don't think there's going to be a review for this, but if there's any kind of video for it, doesn't necessarily have to be a review, then it's gonna work. So I don't think it's one of these, but yeah. So that's literally what you want to do. You want to come on YouTube, find your product. If it's not there, you're probably going to want to buy it and then use it. Otherwise, that's just going to be the best way to do it. So I've already given like a whole, so we've gone almost 15 minutes into the video. It's just too long, so I'm just going to cut this video right now. I might do a part 2 for this because there's so much more to talk about. But there's already a list of stuff that you can go through right now. So let me just call it. So what are we doing again? We're adding a video to your product page. So you can see on GoPro, it's super cool. So once we scroll down, so we're gonna remove. This is a bit more advanced. They're called push notifications, but I might show that in a different store review because I'm gonna try to set it up and all that stuff. But so you want to use one signal for that, by the way. It's called one signal. Okay, and you can see this is the GoPro's page. Anyway, that's all I got for now. Make sure you leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna do more of these since I couldn't cover everything, but I might cover the other stuff in like different stores. since there's just so much stuff to cover. Like this, you can't cover everything. I might have missed out a lot of stuff already, so bear with me when it comes to this. And so yeah, so just leave a comment if you want me to review your store, so I can actually because we've already got 15 minutes in, so there's only so much you can cover. But if you want me to cover your store, just leave a comment. I'll probably pick one because they've got like quite a few today, so I just picked this one. And yeah, I'm very excited to look at your store. So just leave a comment, subscribe. You can check the links in the description, like my recommended books, software, my programs, all that stuff, all in the links in the description. And yeah, peace out.